nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Shanae and I'll be installing this curly HD frontal wig that I received from ULA Hair Company. So if you're interested in seeing this install, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. So jumping straight into this video, I did receive this package within like 3 days. The shipping was super fast. And so this is how it looked when I received it. I got this nice silk bag. It said ULA Hair on it, which is the hair company. So in this package, I received a tail comb. You can always use a comb. I received a wig cap. The wig cap was too dark, but I mean, yeah. And then just cards with their information, how to take care of the hair, just like their promotion stuff and how to use everything. I also did like that I did get a pair of lashes that I did need, and this is the wig, guys. So let's get into this hair. So guys, as you can see, the hair was 30 inches long. This was their deep wave, I believe. So it came with these adjustable straps. It also had the clips inside that the wigs normally come with, and also the adjustable bands. So the wig was 30 inches. It was a deep wave curl. Like, the wig was super full. I cannot complain about. This was HD lace, so the lace like blended well with my skin. I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. I also plucked the hair, so I will be back with the install, guys. So as always, anytime you are about to put on a wig, you want to make sure that your hair is braided back and you want it to be flat. You need flat braids. So right now I'm just going in with my got2b spray, and I am just brushing my edges back. So I'm also using my blow dryer just to make the process go faster. I am using a nude stocking cap, and I'm just pulling it over my head. I am stretching it down so that I can see my hairline. I'm going to be cutting out my ear tab parts and pushing my ear through. And I'll be using my True Glue. Guys, this is the new glue, the new lace glue that I'm using. So it is called True Glue. You can find them on Instagram at the True Glue. So don't forget to go check them out, guys. But right now I am just outlining my hairline with the glue. Then I'm just going to use the back of my tail comb, and I am just spreading it, as you can see, just so that it is a smooth, thin layer. Once the glue is dry, I'm going in with my concealer and my brush, and I am just going to spread it all over the front part of my wig cap. That way it blends in with my skin tone. And just use whatever is left on the brush, and we are just going to brush it onto the lace of the wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the remainder of the wig cap at the front, all the way up until the glue, basically. So I'm just showing you really quickly how the curls look in its natural state. This is just beautiful. So I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm just combing down the front hairline. That way all the hairs are back and out of my way. And I'm also using the adjustable band to help with the security of the wig. That way it fits my head. You always want to make sure that you cut off the extra lace at the back, because I know sometimes we don't see it, so we don't remember, but always make sure to cut off that lace at the back. Now I'm just going to put this wig on my head to see how it fits. So you want to make sure that the lace, well, the hairline is covering the cap. So I'm just gonna pull it back. At least I know where I can apply the glue, and that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm going back in with my true glue. This is lace glue, guys, and I'm just putting some dots on my hairline and I am brushing it through. That way it is a smooth, thin layer. You want a smooth, thin layer, guys. So once I've applied my layer of glue and it is clear enough for me to lay my wig down, I am going to lay the wig down. Make sure that the hairline is covering the glue. And I am just gonna press the comb through the lace so that it is on the glue, guys. If that makes sense to you. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm combing it on the glue. I'm also going over it with my hot comb. I don't know if this really makes a difference, but this is just how I do it. So I just like to run my hot comb over it and then I apply the glue to the next side. Here I am just going to be cutting off the extra lace that's covering my ear. Normally I do like to do this before I apply the lace, but I mean you can also do it after. And then I'm going with this elastic band and I'm just tying it down on my hairline. This helps the lace to melt into your skin. So now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. If you guys want a flat install, I suggest doing this step. You just part the hair, apply the wax stick, and then use your hot comb over it. It allows the hair to lay flatter, just in case you guys didn't know. So I love doing this step, and that's what you see me doing now. So now I'm gonna take off this elastic band that I have over my hairline, and I'm just combing it through. I am gonna cut off the extra lace at the front. So I'm going in with this razor. I honestly would suggest making sure you have a sharp razor or a new one, but I've used this one before. It's kind of dull, so just bear with me, guys. But I am going in with a razor, and I am just using it to cut off the lace. I can't count the amount of times I use a hot comb during an install, but trust me, it is your best friend. So just keep it close. So once I've cut the lace off, I'm going in with my chi helmet head, and I'm just spraying it along my hairline. And once I've sprayed it, I'm going back in with my black elastic. I'm just gonna go back and wrap it around my hairline and allow it to sit. So because this is all of 30 inches of hair, and this is some curly hair, so you know it's a lot of hair, I'm just gonna take it in sections and start spraying it down. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. So once I remove the band, I'm going to comb out my hairline just because it's a bit stiff. And I am using what I had on the brush, and I am just brushing it on to my hairline. So now I'm just parting out some hair so I can do these fancy baby hairs that I did. But I am going to just do this quickly because this is not really a baby hair tutorial. But you guys can just sit back and watch as I achieve these baby hairs. So now that my baby hairs are done, I'm just going back in with my hot comb and I'm just pressing my frontal out a bit more. So just an up close view of how these baby hairs turned out. I loved them. I did see it on Instagram. I'm probably gonna tag the page of the stylist that I seen do it. But now I'm going in with my concealer and I'm just trying to brush it onto my part. So I'm using a thin brush and I'm brushing the concealer on my part. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down in the description box below how you felt about this wig, also your opinion on these baby hairs. So if you made it this far, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, hit that post notification bell so you know when I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out ULA Hair. All the information on this wig will be down in my description box below. So until next time, guys.